always careful with the Juco. So Leo once again is hacking up Argentina so the Hilux can get through. And once we get through, we can get on that highway up there. It's Leo being a mountain man at his best. We're on the way to Esquel. It's a long way, sort of back in the desert. Leo's rocking it out, baby. He often gets right into it, especially with a love song, so I'm starting to worry. I think he's got some real feelings for me. Right now, Leo thinks it smells of sneezing. Can you explain that one, mate?
Yeah, man, it's very easy. I mean, you've got a special smell for everything. And I think in this moment, something or someone smells like sneezing, which is estornudo in Spanish. How come? I don't know. But that's the smell that I'm smelling now.
So, you're smelling like sneezing.
No, I am not. I'm saying that something or someone or, I don't know, an element or a human being smells like sneezing. That's it. Very simple, very concise. And that's it. It smells like sneezing. Haven't you smelled it before? The smell of sneezing?
Hey, sneezing, man, not sneezing.
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 Right, sneezing. Sneezing with an S. Sneezing.
See?
Sneezing, mate. Right.
Just goes to show you that you can't always translate everything. We're coming into Esquel now, and we're going to have a couple of days, maybe even 3. Well, let's see what happens here because there's lots to do. And we just saw oh, here we go, double yellow lines and passing the truck. This is pretty normal for the trip, and we've survived so far. So when a car does have a crash, here they say it got a little kiss, didn't it? But what happens when it's a big kiss, mate?
Well, when it's a big crash, we say it's a big kiss, but with tongue.
With tongue.
With what?
Tongue.
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 Yes.
Tongue. Tongue. Kiss. Tongue. Tongue. Kiss. Kiss. Tongue. Tongue. Tongue with kiss. Kiss. Tongue. 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 Kiss.
How can one man's balls be so itchy?